Wednesday, what happened to your hand?
Professor, Wednesday's hand!
What? What happened?
I wounded my hand!
What? How did this...
Yes. Nice senior prank, Wednesday.
We're getting summer break started early.
Yeah! Blood? Really, Wednesday? I'm sick of this. You made her quit, Wednesday? You all pay for this.
Professor, what happened to your hand?
I quit.
Wednesday! What did you do to my professor? Oh, that's it. You're all getting a punishment. For what you've done, you're all sentenced to summer school.
Summer school?
Oh no. But I'm beach ready!
You're all stuck in here forever.
We need to try getting out of here.
And you can thank your good friend Wednesday.
We need to split up.
We'll check the back.
I'll check the front.
Okay, yeah.
Oh no, we really are trapped. I need to check on the others. How's it going, Pugsley?
We're stuck.
Oh no.
Oh no, Enid.
Oh, my hot girl summer! Don't worry, I'll get us out of here.
You're all stuck here until you finish cleaning the academy from top to bottom, every nook and cranny, using this.
Huh?
It's a cleaning brush.
Oh man.
But that's gonna take forever.
Better get started.
But where?
To the latrines. Come on. You missed the spot.
We need to get out of here. But how?
Enid, you've got the cafeteria. Chop, chop.
Oh man. Wait, Enid, you need to help me plan our escape. Get off of me.
Don't worry, I'm the really ghost. I'm here to help you escape with this.
A spell book? How am I supposed to get all these ingredients if we're stuck inside?
You're a crafty kid, Wednesday. I'm sure you'll figure it out. Good luck!
It's time to get creative. First ingredient, Eye of Dragon. I'm gonna need some clay, some resin, and a UV light. And some buttons, dragon eye buttons. To make an eyeball, squish the clay into a ball, then place the iris on top. Excellent. Now for some resin. Now we pour. Coat the entire eyeball. Then cure it under a UV light. Roast for 60 seconds. The UV will harden the resin. And it's done. First ingredient in the pot. Next ingredient. A jellyfish. I know exactly how to make one. Grab some nano tape. Sprinkle some disgusting glitter. Next, melt the tape with hot water. Then use the straw to blow a bubble. For some finishing touches, we'll give him some eyes and a mouth. Ew. Let's give you some legs. With some red yarn, cut into little pieces, and stick it to the bottom of the bubble. And voila! Let's add you to the cauldron. Whoa. Huh?
Huh? Whoa! Where are we?
I think somehow we're in the seance room. I need to finish the spell so we can get out of here. The next ingredient is a wolf fang. Where do I get a wolf fang?
No, it is hot girl summer, not wolf girl summer. No!
But Enid, we need to get out of here.
Give me your fang! Come on! Wait, you just need a fang? I have a craft for that. First, with a hot glue gun, make sure that you make a fang shape. And now for the next one. And here we have our wolf fang. Whoa!
Great job, Enid. Now for the last ingredient, we need ectoplasm.
Ectoplasm? What's that?
Ectoplasm, a viscous magical substance that supposedly comes from a ghost energy.
Gross. Where in the supernatural world are we gonna find that?
I don't see where... Someone's here.
That's right!
A ghost!
The Academy's friendly ghost.
Let's cut to the chase. We need your ectoplasm.
How forward of you. Look, lady, we need to get out of here. Where can I find some?
Okay, you can get some from the headmaster's office.
Come on, guys.
Keep an eye out, Pugsley. Whoa.
This is it.
It's the ectoplasm.
Let's bring it back to the cauldron. I hope this works. This should get rid of the word spell.
Is anything happening?
No, not yet.
Oh, hey, Thing.
Thing? That's not Thing.
Nothing's gonna happen because this all has been a prank.
Professor?
It's been you the whole time?
That's right. You three had to learn your lesson.
Oh, man.
I'm never doing pranks again.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!